What's up, divas? So today I will be coming to you ladies with an affordable wig from Amazon. It's by the company called Aiterina. I hope I am saying that right. They did send this wig over for me to review for you ladies. So I'm going to show you guys all the contents that came in this package. So when you get your package, it do look like this. Your wig do come in a baggie. It comes with a headband. It comes with two hair ties. As well as a reward stock card. Now this is an headband wig. This is going to be my first headband wig that I've ever tried. This is Brazilian hair and it do come in the inches of 16 inches. This wig is a body wave texture and the hair is really soft. I'm running my fingers through it and I am not receiving any shedding. This is the headband part. This is how it looks. So you do have a comb in the front where the hairline is. You do have two combs right here and right here on the side. And it also comes with a comb in the back. And this wig does not have adjustable straps. So this is how the inside construction of the unit look. So I'm just gonna put this on my mannequin head. I'm gonna style it and